everyone, today I'll be representing our after batch briefing for batch 6 and batch 7, covering our airline status, operation structure, route performance, and comparison between the two batches. To begin with, our airline currently operates a fleet of 16 aircraft under a low-cost carrier strategy. This means we focus on minimizing costs, maximizing efficiency, and offering competitive ticket prices. Now, looking at our route map, it shows that the destinations we operate, these routes are selected based on our demand, profitability, strategic opportunities, helping us identify a stronger route and areas for growth. Moving on to our operational structure, this is where performance is measured using key indicators such as load factor, on-time performance, and profit margin. The load factor measures how full of our air flights are, which reflects the demand, and OTP, which is on-time performance, shows that the efficiency which operates our flights without delays, and our profit margin indicates how much profit we generate after covering costs. When comparing batch 6 and batch 7, both use the same structure, but their performance differ. In batch 6, although load factor were relatively strong, there were weakness in on-time performance or coordination, which likely led to insufficient and higher cost. This reduced overall profitability. In contrast, batch 7 performed better across these indicators. It showed improvement on time performance, meaning fewer delays, as well as better coordination between departments. This resulted in more efficient operation, improved aircraft utilization, and stronger profit margin. Moving to our CO2 emission aspects, we also consider the RPK, or revenue passenger kilometer, which measures the number of passengers carried multiplied by distance flown. Now here our RPK is more important because it reflects both the traffic volume and operation efficiency. Higher RPK when managed efficiency means the airline transporting more passengers over longer distance, which can improve revenue while optimizing. In this area, batch 7 again showed better efficiency, like achieving the higher RPK with better fuel management, which helped reduce CO2 emission per passenger. Now looking at our route analyze, our best performance route is Moscow, Vancouver to Bremen, generating a net profit about 2.89 million with load factor of 61.75% and a strong profit margin which is 59.44%. On the other hand, our worst performance route is Bremen to Hamburg with net loss of about 200 million despite a higher load factor of 68.78%. This shows that the higher passengers number alone do not guarantee profitability. Now, in conclusion, we can say that the both batches operate under the same low-cost model, but batch 7 performed better overall. It achieved stronger result in OTP, profit margin, coordination, RPK efficiency, also while reducing CO2 emission. Thank you.